Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to share a beautiful epoxy flooring designs. There you can see there the beautiful designs are available. So friends, in this video I'm going to share their latest price also and what are the advantages and what is epoxy flooring. So in today's modern homes, flooring is no longer just about the tiles or marble, but homeowners are now looking for a stylish, durable and a low maintenance flooring solutions that enhance both beauty and functionality. So one such a modern flooring solution gaining popularities in homes is epoxy flooring. Epoxy flooring is a seamless surface created by mixing the epoxy resins and a hardener, which chemically reacts and forms a strong, glossy and a durable coating over the concrete floors, like you can see in this video. So unlike the tiles or marble, epoxy flooring has no joints or gaps, which gives a smooth and modern look. It can be customized in multiple colors, patterns and textures, and even in a 3D designs, making it suitable for contemporary house interiors. Modern homes demanding flooring that is long lasting, easy to clean, visually appealing, and the epoxy flooring fulfill all these requirements. So with rising maintenance cost of marble and tiles, epoxy flooring offers one-time investment solution that lasts for years without polishing or frequent repairs. It also supports modern interior themes like minimal and luxury and futuristic designs, making it a preferable choice for even urban homes and villas. And it has some beautiful advantages. One of the biggest advantages of epoxy flooring, it's a seamless finish. So no tile joints, no grout lines, no uneven surface. This creates a clean, luxurious and spacious feel, especially in the small homes and apartments. Glossy epoxy flooring reflects light, making room looks brighter and lighter. And it is also the high durability and strength. So epoxy flooring is extremely strong and durable. It can easily withstand with heavy furnitures, daily foot traffic, impact and scratches. Unlike the tiles that crack or marble that stains, epoxy flooring remains intact for 10 to 15 years when properly installed. This makes it ideal for living rooms, even in the kitchens, parking areas, and a staircase. It is also waterproof and stain resistant, which is major advantages for Indian homes. It does not absorb water or oil, food stains, chemical spills. This makes it perfect for even in a kitchen, bathrooms, and utilities areas. Even accidental spills can be cleaned easily without leaving them. Like there you can see there are the design flexibility and customization. So epoxy flooring offers unlimited designs possibilities. So you can choose metallic epoxy flooring, which is a basic common design, and another one is 3D metallic floorings, 3D floor designs, and another is the solid colors. So it allows the homeowners to match flooring with wall colors, furniture, and lighting themes. This level of customization is difficult to achieve with the traditional flooring materials. So friends, and I'm going to discuss about the price. So actually the basic price of epoxy flooring starts from 90 to 100 rupees per square feet, which I'm talking about is a basic design. And if you want a metallic design, the price starts from 130 to 140 rupees per square feet. And for 3D designs, the price ranges from 250 rupees to almost it goes to 350 rupees. So actually that price totally depends upon the designs. And so friends, this is the way you can calculate. Suppose your room hall size is 10 by 15, and if you want to go with the metallic flooring designs, so it will cost you around 19 to 20,000 rupees. And for 3D designs it will cost you 45,000 rupees. So friends, these are the basic price, and you can calculate as per your requirement. Just I told you that for most common, which is usually is which are mostly used in homes, are metallic flooring designs, and another is which gives customization, and 3D designs is also the good option. So friends, if you like